Okay, so I'm walking down the path here to get my trail camera, and it appears the creek is flooded, but right there is usually where I cross. So I ain't crossing today, that's for sure. So what I might end up having to do is backtrack up the creek and get to where it's kind of shallow, and then cross over there, and then work my way along the side of this hill here to get to my trail cam. So let's go ahead and head back the other way. Good thing is looks like there's deer tracks here now, because they wasn't using this spot here. I mean, I hadn't seen none. But now, maybe because the creek has risen, they're staying on this side of it now. Okay, so go on down this way and see if I can get across here. Okay guys, after much effort, I've made it to my trail camera, and the place I usually come up, I'll show it to you, is a lake. There's even some ducks that took off, but I mean, it's just flooded out. That whole bottom land that I showed you is about 9 feet deep, so there wasn't no crossing through this way to get to the trail camera. I had to go through all this really thick stuff along the top of the ridge, and then round through the power line throughway, which if you try to walk in that, it's just a tangled mess of briars. So, but I didn't want to take no for an answer, so I thought, well, eventually I'll make it here. And looks like it's still in one piece. All the green leaves have died and turned brown, but at least it's still kicking. So hopefully we've got some good video. Cover that sensor up, and I'm going to take it down and we'll take a look and see how much video I've got on it. Okay, so let's see what we got going on here. See how many photos, see images. 26 photos it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. 26. So I left it out here for a full week. So we'll take that SD card and see what it says on it. Hopefully it's got us some good deer.